Oh, happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, dude. Happy 2 years.
Open it up. Tear off that paper.
Tear, pull. Yeah.
What's in there, buddy?
Oh, big tear.
Wow.
Huh? Oh, wow, buddy.
What is it? Ooh.
Pretty aggressive with his unwrapping, huh?
What's inside there? Maybe we should turn it over.
Oh, whoa, look at that, mister.
What'd you get?
Indoor basketball hoop.
Oh, wow.
It's got a ball and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, let's open? Okay. Okay. Look at that ball. There's a ball there and a hoop.
You say, oh, wow.
Whoa, dude. Ball.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, ball. That's right. And a poop. A ball and a poop. Here, watch
Yay!
Get you hooked up here.
Ball hoop. Yeah, good job.
You're already doing it.
Can you say wow?
Can you say wow, dude?
Wow.
Okay, put it through the hoop. Oh.
Yay! Wow.
Good press,
All
Grandpa.
right. Say thank you. Oh, wow, mister. Okay, we'll get that set up. All right, good job. Yay! Say thank you, Grandpa. Say, okay, you want to look at the phone? There's Daddy. And now look, there's Owen. Okay, say thank you. Ball. Okay, bye-bye.